Namaste, welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. In this video, I will show you some of my best yoga and workouts which I practice daily. They are very beneficial for our entire body and mind as well. For more yoga and workouts, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. Let's warm up wrists and hands. Open and close your fingers. Rotate your fists gently clockwise and counterclockwise. Keep your arm straight and bend your palm gently by another hand up and down. And down. Rotate your shoulder into out, out to in, into out, out to in. Now head rotation. Firstly, make your body straight and put your hands on your hip. Rotate your head slowly, clockwise and counterclockwise. Side to up, down, side to up, down, side to up. Close your eyes while doing so. Side to side. Slowly stretch your neck and up and down. Try to touch your chest. Try to touch your chest. Up and down. Place your legs about 2 feet apart. Hip rotation. Gently rotate your hip clockwise, counterclockwise. Don't move your whole body. Stretch your hands up and slowly bend down. Try to touch your toes, floor. Make sure your legs are straight. Pause for a while and feel the muscles stretching. Keep breathing. Slowly, slowly. Rise up and down to the side. One more time, slowly. Bend down. Try to pause the floor. This exercise helps in blood circulation around the whole body. Stretches all the muscles of your body. Keep breathing. Feel the muscles stretching. Now slowly rise. And down to the side. Now legs warm-ups. Rotate your ankles clockwise and counterclockwise. Stretch your ankles up and down, up and down. Do it slowly, up and down, up and down. Feel the stretch. Now rotate your knees out to in to out to in to out to in to out to in to out. Rotate your both knees together, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right. Breathe normally. Do not forget to breathe. Breathe constant. Let's do warrior pose. Place your legs 3 feet apart. Turn right and bend the right knees slightly forward. While left leg is straight and the right thigh supports the entire body. Slowly raise your both hands and press your upper body back. Hold down for a while. In the stretches throughout the body. Slowly draw down your hands. Tense the legs. Inhale. Deep breath. Take a deep breath. This pose is very beneficial for your entire body. It opens up your chest, stretches all the muscles from your legs to hands, and also it opens up your lungs, which helps in purifying your blood and respiratory system. Slowly pour down your hands and come back to original position. Slowly move your legs inwards. Now let's do Ardha Machendrasana. Place your right leg over the left leg and place your right elbow over the left knee and use your left hand to support the body. Try to look back. This asana is very useful for lungs, stiffness, and slowly twist your body towards your left as much as possible while looking back or according to your comfort. Now switch the side. Don't forget to take a long breath. Keep breathing. This asana is good for blood circulation. Open up your chest. Good for your lungs. Gently come to the center, hands are down. And try to look back. Increases flexibility of spine, increases oxygen supply, good for back pain, Keep breathing. Increases flexibility of spine. Increases oxygen support. Good for back pain. Keep breathing. And all the stiffness for your hips as well. Now let's do Gomukha Asana, cow face pose. Gomukha Asana is quite beneficial as it stretches hips, relieves knee pain, strengthens abdominal muscles, spine, ankles, thigh, shoulders, arms and chest. Let's us try it together. Now bend your left leg and place it under your right butt. Fold the right leg and place it over the left thigh. Fold the left arm and place it behind your back and take your right arm over your right shoulder and stretch it as much as you can. Another side. With some practice, you will be able to reach your left hand. Breathe constantly. Now Vajrasana, this pose for rest. Kneel down and sit down on your ankles gently, and the ankles must lie on the ground. Make sure your back is straight and hands on your knees. This is all for yoga poses for this video. Thank you all for joining me in this video. What are your best yoga poses and why do you like them? Please comment below. If you like this video, share it with your one friend. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.